Today I want to tell you about how to be a lovable person. Being a lovable to everybody is very difficult. In this human world, human planet, there are many walk of people, many thoughts, many feelings, and many kinds of people who want love by everyone and who want to love others also. So my point is how you can be lovable to everybody. I want to tell you only few points. See, everybody wants appreciation. Everybody like me, everybody appreciate me, everybody accept me, listen to me. All these are very primary things everyone expects. So what I'm going to tell is little more than this. First, if you want something, you should give something to others. Nowadays, we have the give and take formula. If you go to supermarket, if you go to any other shopping complex, if you want something, you have to pay. Same way, if you want being a lovable to everybody, you should love others also. You should express your loving feeling to others also. You should open your heart. So how to open your heart? To open your heart to others means to accept others. Suppose somebody like you very much, so you also like him or her. The reason is you like her, you like him because he or she like you. It's a key point. Sometimes people hate you, sometimes people reject you. That time you should not feel rejected. You should not feel avoided. You should have the quality of acceptance. You should accept everybody equally. Sometimes some friends come to you and ask something, so you also give, or the friend also give you something. At that moment you are very close, very happy. But after some time, he or she cannot give you the time. That time, we feel we are rejected, we are ignored. But we should avoid all these feelings. He or she might ignore because of there some problem, there are some cases. So we should excuse them. Sometime we also will be working somewhere. So our friends might be expecting we to visit them. That time in a certain case we cannot go. That time we have to say, sorry, I cannot go. I cannot come. That time you should think what condition you are, in what position you are. The situation you are facing was faced by the friend who ignored you. So you have to accept and you have to be acceptable by others in this way. One lovable things what you can do is just try to be open up with the friends by talking, by sharing. Sometime your friend may need, your surrounding may need some critical situation to be solved. That time if you know and you keep close, means you are not sharing your experience, your feeling with others. So same thing will happen when some critical situation happen to you. So anytime, I mean all the time, you should feel the situation of friend is happening to you. You should be always calm. You should be always open your heart. Means always you feel happy, always you feel connected with the friends. That is the main point you need to do. So that's how you can build your good relation with friends. And there are many points, I can explain many things. So moreover, we can talk in another video. See you again.